these first two right here, just turning on the sensors. This one's the infrared sensor, and this one is the color sensor. So right here, this forever loop starts off with starting the conveyor belt, and then it waits until an object is in front of the sensor, and then turns it off. Then after that, it has this code right here, which goes up, grabs the block, puts it on the color sensor. Then these if-else statements are: if it's green block, it goes to this coordinate. If it's a blue, then it goes to this coordinate, and if it's red, then it goes to this coordinate. And after all that, just turns it off. Then it restarts, goes to this. That's basically it.